Welcome back to Mad Investor. So I like to do unboxing, especially when I'm getting gifts from some exchanges or some of the programs. So today I got a gift from OKX, and thank you so much for doing the OKX. So I'll actually do unboxing of what cool stuff. It's actually rewarding the kind of YouTubers and influencers, as obviously I'll be doing some giveaways in the future, so you might get some of the stuff. So let's see what we have here. Okay. Ooh, that looks pretty cool. So we can see OKX nice logo. You can probably see that on one of the cameras. Right, so let's take it out. I think I need to take those out first. Alright. Okay. And it's heavy. Okay, let's take the ugly box out of the way. And let's put the nice box in. Okay, I'll be honest, this is slick, like OKX logo, nicely done. Okay, let's see. Opens like all of them to the top. Alright, let's stick it here. As you can see, the seals are still here, so I'm doing a live one with you. I have no idea what's inside, so let's see. And two. Alright. Let's see what OKX has brought me. Alright, so we have a cap. Okay, that's pretty slick, nice. And I like it's pretty nice and easy material, so very good. Let's see how it looks on me as well. Obviously it'll break my hair a bit, but what can you do? Yeah, ain't bad, right? Pretty okay. I like it. Thanks for that, guys. Okay, let's put it back. What else do we have here? Ooh, what is that? That looks fancy. That looks like it's... I don't know if it's a hoodie, but it's a hoodie inside a OKX bag. It's like, I would make a pillow of it or something like that. This is kind of the material you would use. Oh, cool! It is an OKX hoodie. So the bag is obviously something which I'll definitely use as well. I like such a small bit, so let's check it out. Alright, OKX hoodie. So you can see it's a hoodie with a OKX logo, and I can see also a tiny logo right on here. I think it looks pretty alright. So it looks like I'm probably gonna keep the hoodie, but let's see how actually does it look on me, right? Because I think that's the way to check it out, right? Okay, that's pretty cool. I think it's alright. I like it. Thank you so much, OKX. Really appreciate that. It looks really nice, really sick. I like the black, you know, this is the thing which I always liked. So let's go further. Okay, what do we have here? I can bet it's a t-shirt. I can bet it's something nice, but like, let's see how well designed. Okay, they went into the shades of gray. So that's the shades of gray. As you can see, it's a nice. I like it. I like it because it's not fully black, which you know some of the other brands are going for. It's pretty cool, pretty sleek. So you know this is something definitely worth wearing, and you'll probably see me more in that. And what else do I have here? Okay, this is the last item. And it's a backpack! Oh, nice! They know I travel a lot, so probably that's why I got that. Let's see that. Alright. Okay, cool, slim, nice. Okay, it's actually like locked here. Oh wow, okay, that's pretty nice. Okay, it opens. Obviously a sleeve for a laptop, so you can actually pack your laptop right here. Multiple pockets and a nice obviously logo on the front. No, it's pretty well done on like a water bottle and stuff. Nice, it's good for, you know, hiking and stuff. Thank you so much for it, OKX. Really appreciate this. In general, I love such a nice gift. As you know, guys, I'll be also doing some giveaways of the stuff which I'm doing, and in a few months probably we'll do another one because we did one already. For those of you who haven't received it, because like we've sent the email to some of you, just let me know. But well, thank you OKX for that. I think it's pretty cool of you to do such a thing. I love always merch, and oh gosh, it just looks so sleek. So see you in the next video, and thanks for the unboxing and watching this video, guys. Take care.